In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. In order to continue, you need to get this app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you want to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one and tap on Settings at the top. Finally, hit I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, tap on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you want to apply it, home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!